Okay, guys. So again, we back to our challenge 6. We have completed up to here. So let's look at the 6 now, right? I will download the starter file. I click the link, click on download. Basically, here is a download, right? Click on that and it download. Okay. So I will go to my download folder, uh, and I will extract this, extract challenge here. Okay. This is a challenge 6, right? So I will just drag it to my Visual Studio. Add folder to the workplace. Yes. Now this is the one, right? So HTML. Okay, I will just put inside. Okay, inside this folder. I mean inside. I don't know what I'm doing, right? HTML, CSS structure page. So that's my clone, right? This is the one clone. So I just have to add it inside. I don't know why it's not moving inside. Okay, okay. Sorry, guys, it's there, right? So only because of the name. Okay, so I will rename this. What is rename? No, I cannot rename. Just want to make it same like this, right? So something is not correct. I mean, right click and I should be able to rename, but it's not working. Reveal, explore. Yeah. So even what I can do is click. I can create challenge 6. I just want to make same name, right? And then from here, just copy all this. I don't have to do this, but yeah, put it there. Okay, and I can delete this. I don't need anymore. Remove folder from the workspace. Remove it. Good to go. Now, if we go live view, right? Live view. So it looks something like that. This okay. Clear. So what is the what things we have to do here, right? In this exercise is create this nav bar. All right. So how this nav bar is designed, right? Look at here. We have a header section. Inside there is a another folder called nav, not folder but the tag, right? Nav. The header is the main. Inside there is a nav, and inside there is a UL tag. Okay. So you can use this nav to do some styling. Then you can use this UL as a parent, and it has how many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 children. So see a href. You can see list item. These are just the list item. They have a class, and inside the list there is a tag. I mean, you can design it any way you want, right? You must have one parent and the child. Okay. So we know how to even create a buttons, all that, right? Add some simple stuff. Just look at this. Okay. So in our CSS now, let's go to the CSS and see, do some styling. Very simple stuff. What I can do, right? I mean, even you can use the flex. See, here is a flex. space between, justify space between, right? But again, if when you apply this row display flex, there is a space between, and this is what we don't want, right? So there will be some issue. Okay, so what we can do is write our own flex styling now, just below here. So I will select this nav list, because this is my parent element. Nav list, that is a class, right? List, nav list. Okay, and you call it display flex. When you do that, so that all the childs get in one row, right? So there are how many columns now? One, two, whatever number of element. Okay, then you can do gap, right? Gap of very easy, like maybe how much? Let's say one rem you do, see, or you can add maybe 1.6 rem. Good. That is all we have to do, right? And you're done with that challenge. I mean, but what I will ask you guys to do is just go through all, make sure you should be able to create this whole thing, right, on your own. That is the point here. Okay, so if you look at here, see this, okay, let's look at the design, right, how it, so that see here, it aligned perfectly with the left text. I mean, look at the alignment in the left side, right, this space. So we can do same thing with our container. So go back here. What is the wrapper, right? Let's look at the wrapper. Okay. Body, button, container. That's the one, right? Container. Okay, we can apply the same container. So I want to move this nav bar, right? Not the UL, but this nav bar, okay, inside the header. So header has a background color and all that, right? If you look at the style somewhere here, right? See, header has background, and there is some padding top and bottom, left and right zero, right? Some style here, okay. So nav list has already some style. Did I put nav list on the bottom also? Nav list, right? So I don't have to do it here. I can just use on the top, right? uh Nav link, nav list, just do it this, and will be same, right? So after header, what I will do, I'll just select the nav. What is the class name? Nav, right? Dot nav. Okay, dot nav. So I don't have to do anything. I just put the container here, container, right? Save, and that's it. You just get in the center, aligned perfectly with this. That nav just move right to the center. I mean, you can apply the, just do dot nav, right, and background red and check. See, that's what happened. Even in the flex item, right, nav link here, the nav list, we have done flex. You can center the item. So display flex gap this much, and align items, right? You can make it center so that they are more align it perfectly, right? Okay, so that is in this. Our nav is now container. Why I say, why I'm saying container, right? Because we have applied the container style, and container has some, some big styling, right? If you look at the container, 80%, that is 80% of the display size. The maximum is 1100 pixel, and then in the center, right, margin top and bottom zero, left and right auto. So that's why it's in the center. excuse me. And that is all we have to do, guys, for this one. Very quick and easy. Done. Just practice, okay? It's a lot of code is written here, but what I want you guys to understand is do on your own, right? Write your everything, just write at least 2 3 times. All right, so let's look at the next one. What is the next challenge? Challenge 7. So if you look at the starter file, okay, let's look at the starter, right? Download and layout. There is a layout also. So let's download this. Unless we just look at here, right? Is okay. PDF file. So we have to create this. Here is some, the color. What are the color you're going to use? The font, right? So I will show you how to use the font. Basically, how you're gonna, use the Google font, right? Layout. The maximum width of a container is 1128 pixel. Maximum width. In the Seri first section, try setting mean height. The first section, right? This one, mean height of 660 pixel, and using what we have covered in the flexbox to center content vertically. So to center this, we're gonna use flex. Okay. So you can wrap everything, put in one box, and center that. Right? That will be good. So I will show you. I mean, how we gonna. Okay, I think what we're gonna do, right? Let's see. This project I will just explain in a classroom. Okay, let's do it in a class. I will record also and do it in the class. Let me stop here for now.